How to fix Corel Painter for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Corel Painter from your Mac, you can use the following script, #bin/bash #stop Corel Painter if it's currently running pgrep Corel Painter /dev/null, then echo stopping Corel Painter osascript equip app Corel Painter phi #remove Corel Painter application and related files echo removing Corel Painter sudo rmrf/application /corel \painter /2022 /rmrf/library /application /support /corel \painter /2022 /rmrf/library /caches /corel \painter /2022 rmrf/library/preferences/com corel.corelpainter 2022.list rmrf/library/save \application \state/com corel.corelpainter 2022.saved_state/ echo Corel Painter has been uninstalled. Here's what the script does. 1. It checks if Corel Painter is currently running and stops it if it is. 2. It removes the Corel Painter application from the applications folder. 3. It removes the Corel Painter related files from the user's library folder. 4. It displays a message confirming that Corel Painter has been uninstalled. To use this script, you can save it to a file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_corelpainter.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal, mod +x uninstall_corelpainter.sh. Then, you can run the script by entering its file name in terminal, /uninstall_corelpainter.sh. Note that you will need to enter your admin password when prompted, as the script uses sudo to remove the Corel Painter application and related files. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.